To begin this profitable journey, your first step is to search for hashtag shorts on the YouTube platform. This will lead you to the YouTube Shorts shelf, a virtual space where numerous videos are gaining significant traction with view counts ranging from 31 million to 6.1 million and beyond. Imagine the potential if you were to earn $22.50 for each of these views. The financial rewards could be substantial. I'm here to help you harness the power of these views and start generating income. As we scroll down, it becomes clear that shorts are undergoing an unprecedented surge in popularity. This presents the perfect moment to explore this domain. The optimal niche I've identified, which remains largely untapped and has minimal competition, especially for beginners, revolves around the combination of hashtag shorts plus Minecraft. Perform a search for hashtag shorts plus Minecraft, and we will utilize some of the videos within this category. Interestingly, a portion of these videos doesn't originate as original content, but as uploads from other platforms featuring individuals engrossed in video gameplay. Observe videos amassing remarkable view counts, often in the hundreds of millions, readily accessible on the first page. This highlights the profitability and untapped potential of this niche. Here's the strategy. You don't have to watch these videos yourself. Instead, we'll leverage the viewership of others to maximize earnings. I'll explain exactly how you can profit from the millions of views on these videos. Start by clicking on a channel, go to their videos, access the Shorts tab, and choose Most Popular. This reveals their most viral YouTube Shorts videos, offering prime opportunities for revenue generation. You can choose to watch these videos yourself and earn, or have others watch them on your behalf, thereby boosting your earnings. The flexibility of this approach is a notable advantage. Let's explore the procedure. Click on the most popular video, especially one with over 100 million views. Copy the share link, which will be converted into a specialized link for revenue generation. Anyone clicking on this link to watch the video will contribute to your earnings. Now, I'll guide you to specific online communities where individuals keenly interested in these videos gather. The considerable number of views reflects a sizable audience eager to interact with this content. Over 100 million viewers were captivated by this specific video, showcasing the immense potential for attracting attention and, consequently, generating revenue. To kickstart this profitable venture, we'll explore a specialized website. Before revealing the site, let's delve into the potential earnings across different countries. This information is crucial for understanding the financial opportunities based on geographical location. For example, individuals from Greenland can potentially earn $20, while in Iceland, the figure stands at $13. In the United States, the earning potential per 1,000 views is $12, and in the United Kingdom, it's $10. The scale extends further, with Canada offering $9. For countries not explicitly mentioned, the estimated earnings are around $33.50 per 1,000 views, which still holds significant value, particularly when considering a video amassing 30 million views. Moving on, let's explore ShrinkEarn.com, a platform crucial for maximizing your earnings. The procedure entails copying your designated link, shortening it using the platform, and strategically distributing it in locations where individuals genuinely interested in Minecraft are likely to click and watch. The key here is to target audiences with a sincere interest in the content to ensure maximum engagement. Allow me to guide you through this process. Upon reaching the site, log into your account. Once logged in, find the option to create a new shortened link. Paste your original link into the provided space and click on the shorten button. This action generates a specialized money link. Each click on this link has the potential to earn you up to $20 for every person who clicks and watches the associated video. Now that you've obtained your money link, let's explore particular platforms where you can attract a significant audience, ranging from 1,000 to potentially millions of viewers, to click on your money link. This strategic distribution is vital to optimize your earning potential and ensure your content reaches an audience genuinely interested in Minecraft. Let's dive into the details of the first recommended platform. MinecraftForum.net is acknowledged as an ideal platform for drawing viewers interested in Minecraft content. With an impressive 965,000 active members, you can leverage the suggestions section of the forum to create posts highlighting your video, perhaps introducing a new viral Minecraft strategy. By embedding your link within these posts, you stand to capture the attention of a substantial audience, as the site attracts up to 1 million visitors monthly. While exploring the forum, you'll come across threads with substantial post counts, spanning from 3.4 million to 2.9 million, presenting ample chances to disseminate your link across diverse discussions. Shifting focus to the second immensely effective platform, Facebook provides an even wider outreach. Employing Facebook's search function, seek out groups associated with Minecraft, with a specific focus on public groups. These groups encompass diverse membership numbers, varying from 10,000 to 100,000 individuals, while sharing a profound interest in Minecraft tutorials and videos. In these groups, smoothly incorporate your link as you introduce your video content. For example, share a new viral Minecraft strategy, paving the way for engagement as members click the link, watch the video, and contribute to your earnings. Now, for an added strategic element, consider utilizing Shrink Earn's referral program. Go back to the Shrink Earn platform, access the referral section, and obtain a unique referral link. Share this link with individuals interested in earning through video sharing. By guiding them through the strategy you've just acquired, you can earn a substantial 20% of their lifetime earnings. This referral system offers a scalable income potential, allowing you to earn 20% of your referrals' accumulated earnings. To reach a broader audience, explore Facebook groups focused on making money online, particularly those with substantial memberships, like those with 167,000 members. Share this proven strategy in these groups, incorporating your Shrink Earn referral link, and witness your earnings grow in parallel with the success of those you refer. That concludes today's session. If you found value and enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell for updates on our latest videos. Once again, this is Ideas from Chaos. Thanks for tuning in, and I look forward to having you in the next video.